Hey guys, we received this WARRKY USB-C to HDMI adapter. So it's a 4K and braided Type C to HDMI adapter. So let me just open this and show it to you. So basically, like this have a USB-C and it's a USB or USB-C to HDMI cable adapter. As you can see it here, it have a USB here and this attachment and then USB-C. So it comes with an additional attachment that so convert anything from USB-C to the HDMI. So basically, these days, there is no HDMI in the if a Chromebooks or MacBook or any other purpose. You can use this just the USB-C there, and then from there you can just put in the HDMI. You can also put this with this USB, and then do it with this HDMI adapter on the end. So I'm just setting this up with my HDMI and using this stuff and then putting in the monitor. So I don't see any issue with this display. It's working really good. And then everything is displayed on my monitor as well. And the other thing is you can use any other HDMI with it.